Monday morning, October 21st, taking a look at two charts. I'm looking at the master planet chart here, which is a 30-minute chart on the left that I'm moving around there. And then on the right is our 4-minute Vedic rainbow chart that you see in most of the videos that I put out. So we've got these windows. Now these white windows is what we're looking at. So we're keying on this early morning white window on the 4, which is inside of this white window on the 30-minute. This chart here is actually from 1:12 to 10:54 in the morning for that time period. There's a smaller green bar here on the A1 panel, which was from 5:20 to 6:45. I was looking for the low to come in that window. It actually was a minor high, and then it kicked back down for another 3 or 4 bars. And then that bottom came in here in this A5, A6 window over the white. And then we got our reversal right there and started trading up. Now, this window here goes to 1054, so we could flip down and get a lower low. And we're also in this larger white window here on the C3, which could make for a more significant low later on in that window. But another thing I wanted to bring attention to, besides using these charts overlapping each other to get really dialed in on where these turns are going to be, I want to point out that on this 30-minute chart with the master planet, that these white and green windows often will catch pivots. You'll get changes of trend at the beginning and end of the timing windows. So if you go through here and look at the windows I've got highlighted, we've got a low here on that window. We've got a high here and a high here on that window. We've got a pair of highs in this white window. Now I'm referring to all the middle panel windows that I have highlighted. On the bright green window here on October 16th, 17th, we've got a low, then a low. And here we've got a minor low missed by a couple of bars there on that one, but then we're going to come up and potentially catch that high at the end of this window, where that window closes around 10:55. So just another example of using these tools together. I like this combination. It gives you plenty of tradable pivot opportunities using a 4 and 30-minute. Now, I would also mention, if you watch yesterday's video with the Astro Excel, we have a trend period coming in this morning. We've got a bullish trend segment coming in, and that began right about here. Right after we made low here, we got into the bullish trend segment, which was pointed out on the Astro Excel chart. So now we've got these different tools and time frames pointing potentially area of turning point, pivot area, and also trend potential.